It was miserably blissful.
The new it couple in the YouTube moto community.
That's what you keep
Mike
saying.
and Michelle.
That's a really nice setup,
Yeah.
the way they did that.
Yeah.
That doesn't surprise me, especially if Jason was there.
Yeah.
We've got Cardo problems, Harley problems, GoPro problems. All right, we're gonna do some adult things. Whoa!
Easy, fella.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker, and you know I'm here to stay. Good morning, folks. Welcome to a foggy Central Texas. It's the Saturday morning. Before I get started, y'all say a little prayer for my old buddy Road Wang. He had his arm wasn't healing up quite right, and had to go in and kind of redo the whole screws and plates and all that stuff. So, say a little prayer for Warren. You may hear some noise in the background. What happens when
If we go buy a cycle gear.
You're messing up my joke. You're messing up my intro, Wayne.
Sorry.
What happens when 3 Texans and a Canadian walk into a bar? Well, we found out last night.
Yeah.
You got some familiar faces here. Wayne, aka Jarvis Biker, old Wang Rider Monk. They rode up to join us on the 2 Up Expeditions group ride up to Possum Kingdom Lake. So we're waiting on at J. Jeffrey Music to get off work from the fire station, and we're gonna head up north and go join them for a good day. Hopefully, very foggy to start, but yeah, that's what we're doing. What are you doing? It's got a little ladder out here. You can see the. How'd I turn that? See the fog. Old Monk rode in last night. How was the ride, Monk?
A little chilly?
Little cool. Fog was thick though.
Yeah.
Between here and town, it's
This
thick.
morning?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jarvis Biker, how you doing, sir?
Got to be watching for Bambi this morning.
Yes.
Be coming out of the fog.
It's prime time.
We did do a little install last night. I didn't film it. Not very good at installs. You've seen this. These Kahuna heated grips on Roja. My 2025 Road Glide. Very simple install. Literally the pigtail's about this big and plugs. Take this off, slide it in, plug it into the back of the housing. You don't have to run any wires anywhere else.
Yeah,
So
that's a really nice setup,
Yeah.
the way they did that.
Yeah, that's easier than,
No running wires down the handlebars, just in and out,
yeah,
and put her in.
yeah.
Of course, you got Jason there and already done.
yeah, that's why. Why else you think I'm friends with Jason?
Yeah.
Not for his looks and personality. For mechanic skills, of course. Wayne drove in from Ontario, Canada.
Franken truck,
Yeah.
parts from everywhere.
He pretty much built this truck from different parts of other trucks. And then he's got a little toy hauler back there where you can sleep and all that stuff. I'll show you that later.
Maybe when we get back.
Toilet and TV, it's all you need.
Yeah, that's right. Toilet and TV's all you need. Morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Good.
Made it.
Yeah. Hell, I've been here since 7. I got off.
Oh, really?
Had a guy.
Oh, well, you should have just come by the shop.
Yeah, I thought about it, but
Yeah.
so
All right.
I told EJ we'd meet him. I told him I got off a little early. We'll meet him 8:15.
Okay.
Terry from Riding Texas is going to meet us in Iredale.
Okay.
So we'll I said just join right in, or we may swing in there. You know,
Okay.
it's at that gas station right there on the left.
Okay. Good to see you.
He brought us something. I forgot to get the damn bottle, but well, I'm sure you got some.
I got something. Yeah.
We can stop and get back. It's good. It's a Wayne Gretzky
Oh, really?
rye whiskey.
Signature bottle.
It's Jason Compton approved.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well.
It's about that far down on his
Yeah.
bottle.
Yeah, that doesn't surprise me, especially if Jason was there.
Yeah.
We're gonna go pick up EJ on the way, and then Terry riding Texas is gonna meet us. Sorry for the naughty nose.
I was quietly protective of my heart to reassure that I couldn't break to pieces and be left alone once more. If you hadn't been so patient, you'd be easy to ignore. You put up with all my until you didn't anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing. I have been too self-involved, been protective of my feelings, but somehow you made me fall. You got underneath the surface and you shattered every wall. And I know I got that feeling, there's no question anymore. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours, anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing.
Rolling on two.
Good, my brother.
How are you?
Good, man. Everything's well.
And we're here with the
new it couple in the moto YouTube moto community.
what you keep
Mike
saying.
and Michelle, Two Up Expeditions. What's happening? Great
Hey,
day
man.
for a group ride, huh?
Yeah,
The new it couple. Look, that's right here.
Well, we always complain about sweating too much. You
Yeah.
know, it's hot in Texas. Well, here you go.
There you go. That's right. That's right. It's just easy. It could have been 75 degrees and sunshiny. You just don't know.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So we got a lot of folks here. Anybody mind to be on YouTube? I'm Jack.
Hi,
How are
I'm
you?
Emily. Nice to
Emily.
meet you.
How are you, sir?
Jeremy McCoy.
Danny. How are you? Sandra, brother.
Morning, Jack. Morning.
What's going on? How are you?
Dean.
Dean and Jack.
Nice to meet you. Howdy.
Oh, Oklahoma boy.
One half of the Oklahoma boys here. I'm gonna sling this GoPro across this parking lot if it shuts off on me again. It kept shutting off. I think it's too cold.
Yeah.
They don't like the cold or the fog or something. I have no idea what I'm gonna say when I turn this camera on. That's what I'm talking about.
That's the
So this is Mike and Michelle, Two Up Expeditions. You've seen them at Twisted in Texas both times. So what's the first of all, great turnout by the way.
Yeah,
I mean there's
awesome.
25 bikes here, something like that.
yeah. Right around that.
What's it's not an ideal weather day, but what's the plan for today? What are we doing?
Well, the total route's going to be about 130 miles or so. We're going to go up to the west side of Possum Kingdom, have some lunch, and probably warm up.
Yeah.
And at the Hungry Fox, and then we're going to take everybody to the bottom side of the dam.
Yeah.
And we're going to end the day at Boondocks, which is kind of our local watering hole here that we frequent.
We're better watering hole people than bikers anyway. So tell us about your channel. How long have you, when did you start it?
About a month ago.
About a month ago.
Yeah, it was right after. The
Already
first
got-
video was the Twisted in Texas 2
Already
video.
got 350 subscribers or 302,
250.
250, yeah. So they do a really good job. So go check out Two Up Expeditions on YouTube. Or we're on Facebook,
Everywhere.
Facebook, Instagram,
TikTok, all the things.
Yep. First off, thank y'all for coming. We know it's not exactly the best weather we've got today, but we're still going to have a good time. So we're just going to do typical group formation, just stagger up. The first stretch of road is going to be right up here. It's a little bit narrower, and there's some good curves and stuff on it, so make sure everybody leaves enough distance between each other. And we're just going to have a good time. We'll I don't have a map or anything printed out, but we'll just, you know, just follow the leader. So if you do get separated, the first stop is for lunch is going to be at the Hungry Fox. So you can just punch it into your GPS or whatever, or do it here, and that's where we'll be. So thank you all again for coming. It means a lot to us. So
Thanks for having us.
yeah. Thank you.
Having all kinds of trouble with this GoPro. Not sure what I'm getting, but we got about 25 bikes here. We're gonna go for a ride. See how it goes. This is Lewis, a throttleaholic on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all the stuff. But
all of the above.
Do you agree that he's Road Wang's doppelganger? I swear I've thought you looked just like Road Wang from. Don't you think? What do you think, Terry?
I don't know. I've been told Tom Cruise.
Yeah, Tom Cruise. Yeah. Well, yeah, Road Wang's better looking than Tom Cruise, don't you think? We got old Terry here riding Texan. We got a lot of fellow Texans rolling on too over there.
Really?
How many other YouTube channels we got here? Anybody else got a YouTube channel? Anyway, how we doing rolling on too?
Appreciate you as always.
Yeah, I think I had a bad battery. This thing is working now.
Oh, good.
So I may not sling it across this parking lot. Well, it has been a struggle today with technology. We've got Cardo problems, Harley problems, GoPro problems. But even when technology's working properly, I think it can distract you from enjoying what's around you. And this was all worth it. We're at Possum Kingdom Lake, one of the most beautiful lakes in Texas. And we ain't gonna worry about all the technology issues. Even when it is working, you ought to put it down and enjoy being in the moment as I'm talking into a camera.
I always call it Fox Hollow Resort, but the restaurant is actually called the Hungry Fox.
Hungry Fox?
Yes, we're on the west side of Possum Kingdom Lake.
West side of Possum Kingdom Lake. It's a beautiful spot. It went from a crappy day to perfect.
The sun is out, and I'm so happy. I was really worried that the sun wasn't going to come out at all.
Yeah.
And we were going to be miserable all day. I still can't feel my lips and my nose. I'm still cold, but we're going to go get a beer and warm up.
Yeah.
Where are we going now?
Straight to hell if we don't change our ways. No, now we're gonna just continue down. We're gonna camera this way.
Okay.
We're gonna go all the way around, and right over there we'll make a right and go that way. So we're just gonna continue all the way around the lake, and we're gonna come right back up the other side. and head over to Boondocks, and that's where the ride will end.
Okay.
So,
And the party begins.
And the party begins.
Now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours. Anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours. And now we're singing. And now I stand here calling at your door. Oh, now I stand here calling at your door. Yeah, I'm yours. Anywhere you want. Yeah, I'm yours, and now we're singing.
Well, I'm here with the new motorcycle YouTube it couple, Two Up Expeditions.
You keep saying that.
We had a great day today. The weather turned out perfect. The second half of the day, anyway.
Yeah.
Yes.
So where are we now?
Right now we're down on Rock Creek at the
Beautiful
we'll
spot.
call them the cabins.
Yeah, we got a
So-
house and two cabins. A house and two cabins right on the lake. I guess the river part of the lake, and it's a beautiful spot. So thank y'all for having us. We had a great day.
Thank you
It's,
for showing up, even though it was pretty crappy
they had
this morning.
20 some odd bikes. That's pretty good for what, 2 months into your YouTube channel or
1 month.
1 month into
1 month.
Y'all were YouTubing at Twisted in Texas, and I didn't even know it until
Yeah.
until we got back.
Yeah,
that
we
wasn't,
decided
that wasn't even
after.
the plan.
So y'all subscribe to Two Up Expeditions. Let's keep growing this wonderful motorcycle community that we have.
We appreciate it.
EJ, how was the day for you?
It started off a little cool, but
Yeah.
it turned out great.
Turned out great.
Had some great riding.
A little froggy early, but the sun came out.
Yeah.
Turned out perfect.
You want to say anything to Brian, the other half of the Oklahoma boys?
Where are you?
Where are you?
We miss you, Brian. Yeah. I finally quit shaking like a dog peat seed, so I've been cold all day.
I'm going to have to edit that out.
You can use the beep, can't you?
Yeah, yeah,
I don't know
I can.
how to do the beep.
So have fun following along?
We had fun.
Yeah. Oh,
Falling around the pickup, it was nice and warm.
yeah.
Yep.
Wayne brought the cold weather with him from Ontario.
Dragged it down with me, yeah,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah. Did you have a good day?
Yeah, I did.
Otherwise,
Yep.
We had lots of
Bluetooth trouble.
technological difficulties all around today.
Challenges.
Challenges. Monk, how was the ride for you today?
It was miserably blissful.
Oh, that's my opener right there. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we got a new subject for Jay's new
Not
song.
without trial and tribulation.
All right, we're gonna relax on the porch, have a few drinks. Appreciate y'all watching.
Don't let the hard days win.
See you next time.
After I say thank y'all for watching, I'm gonna say thank y'all for watching. One of y'all is gonna say don't let the hard days win,
Okay.
and one of y'all is gonna say see you next time. So
Okay.
don't let the hard days win. See you next time.
All right.
All right, we're gonna do some adult things.
Easy,
Well, okay, I'm at that. I meant beverages, well, but maybe.
Take two.
Cut.
That'll make the jacket.
That'll make the.
Hashtag gaggle.
I'm gonna leave that in there somehow. I don't know exactly how to do it, but we're gonna have some drinks. Let me be more specific, and enjoy our evening together. So appreciate y'all watching.
Don't let the hard days.
Oh yeah, we're keeping all this.
What? You fall into my fist?
Yes.
All right.